So here, just making a quick video of how to remove, you got the rotor here. It's this shaft piece, this piece here that the point cam is on. I'll call it the, I don't know, point cam holder removal from a Chrysler, Mopar, Dodge, whatever you want to call it, distributor. So if you have I have the shaft clamped in a vise, soft jaws there, and you have the distributor apart to this point, and there's this little tiny clip here. I'll zoom in on it. It is there. That you have to. It sits down in this hole here. You can barely see the two vertical tabs sticking up, but the best way I found to remove it, and this can be a very frustrating thing to get out of there. I took a pair of, I guess I'll call them long nose, or I guess maybe they're medium. They're about 2.5 inch long jaws on them there, needle nose pliers, and I ground the end flat for about 3/8 of an inch there. You can see. So I insert them into the hole, slide them down against the wall, in between the, in effect, I'll show what's going on like this, in between the two. It's not going to work because it's magnetic, and then I spread it apart while at the same time pulling up on this part, and after about 18 tries, if you're lucky, you'll get it, and it'll pop up and slide right off. Now before you do that though, I would highly recommend that you mark one of the two pins with Sharpie or something, and then put a same mark on this flat piece there. That way you know when you put it back in which way it goes, because I think it'll go either way, but at least that way you know you've got it the way that it came apart. So, because that matters, because your rotor's only going to face one way. The rotor faces the opposite way to the slot. Slides on like that. So anyway, I guess the other way is to use a couple of little tiny screwdrivers, flat blade screwdrivers or what have you. I've heard people using an awl and a flat screwdriver, etc. But I know I've spent a long time taking some of these apart, and whatever you do, which I just about did there, don't lose that little clip. So anyway, hopefully that's helpful to you in tearing apart these Mopar distributors. These ones aren't stock. This one's for a 5-cylinder inline Briggs, and this one's for a 7-cylinder. But I need those and a modified distributor cap to make the engine run. So hope those little tips are helpful to you there with your, well, I don't know what, they started making these in what, 1959 through I don't know, 1980 or so, Mopar distributors. So best of luck with it.